XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about gold against dollar. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe and like the video and press the bell notification because these videos are for you, not for myself. So I'm not doing these analysis for myself. I can do it in the back end without putting the headphone on my mic. So this is for public, right? These videos are for you. So make sure you subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find some links. You can check them out in your free time. And the link which I want to talk about is this join monthly membership. So you can click on this link and check this by the end of this video, because you have to understand one thing here. The videos which I am recording online, I'm recording them at different time. Then I'm uploading it at a different time. And then you're watching it at a different time. And then real trades are going to happen at a different time. Okay. So anybody who is uploading videos on YouTube, it's not real time, which means you can get an idea, but actual trades can't be executed because you are watching the video later on. Okay. So if you want some real time signals and analysis, then make sure you join the monthly membership. You can go and find the details below. And coming back to the gold against dollar, let's start with the weekly analysis, which is top-down approach. So it's no rocket science. In gold, we are in uptrend and we have to look for buy opportunities only. Now, in gold, people have to be careful because it moves so much up and down, 1,000 pips a day or maybe more, okay? So if you know your numbers, if you're good with your numbers, specification, technical things in gold, go ahead and trade. I will give you the direction for free and also in my membership, okay? So weekly, you can see here that this candle did not break the previous, candle, okay? Which means we are not going to go down, right? So this blue candle was not eaten by this previous red candle, which means that we are going up. This was merely a pullback. Now we're going to go back, okay? And now if you go back and watch my Sunday's video on gold, okay? So if you go and watch my last gold analysis video, which I uploaded, I think yesterday maybe, in that I told you clearly that if this red candle in daily chart will be eaten by a big new candle, that's when you can enter buy positions, okay? So I'm damn fucking right. So I told you on Sunday that if we have a coming blue candle which will eat this previous red candle, which is going to happen today. The US market is about to close in 1 hour and 50 minutes from now when I'm recording the video, okay? US market is about to close in 1 hour and 15 minutes, which means that today we are going to eat this red candle by this blue candle. So we are on the uptrend. Coming back to 4 hour, we are already above the EMA. Go back and watch my video from Sunday. You will see that I told you here that we have this double, bottom kind of thing. Okay, so this previous red candle did not break this one. So I consider this as a double bottom. Then we broke the EMA already. All we have to do is let the EMA retest this. Let the price retest the EMA, then enter, and then that's your profit. Okay. In 2 hours, what do we have? You don't need to know. So 4 hours is good enough for us. I'll tell you something which others will not tell you, okay? In Delhi, I'm going to tell you that in Delhi, the price will touch to 3450, okay? The maximum it has gone to 3494. But I'm telling you, in Delhi, the gold will touch the price of 3450 minimum, okay? So if you have huge money capital in your bank account, in your trading account, and if you know how to trade gold and you're good with your numbers and with your picks and everything, then you can hold your gold in Delhi and it will give you another $100 and maybe $10 and more, okay? So gold in Delhi is going for 3450. Trust me on that. In 4 hour, gold is going for 3355. Okay, so right now gold is at 3334 or 3335, whatever. Okay, so if you want only $20 in 4 hour, gold is still gonna go for $20 more. 3355. That's what I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so you take profit in 4 hours should be 3355 in gold, and in Delhi, if you can hold it that enough, then it will be 3450. Go and do it if you want to. Thank me later. Okay, and you know what? It hurts. Oh, what hurts? It hurts when people make money from my videos for free. Okay, I'm just joking. Get what you can from the internet for free. Okay, and if you like what you see, subscribe. And you know what? Share this video as well with as many friends you have into trading. Okay, because not many people in this industry have this kind of knowledge. And even if they have the knowledge, they are not willing to give you for free. Okay, so what do you have got for free costs thousands of dollars. I hope you're aware of that. And go and watch my previous gold analysis to match with what I said on Sunday is actually happening today, okay? So you can go and watch my previous gold analysis as well. And as I said that, when I'm recording the video, I don't know when you're watching the video and then when you will go live. Things are different in the live market, but I'm doing analysis as per what I see right now. And if you want real-time analysis and everything and all the details, then make sure you join my check out the membership. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, subscribe and like. Take care.